Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Welcome to your guide on playing tango piano. In this video, I will explain how to play tango on piano, starting with the fundamentals. Tango music is known for its passionate and often unsettling character, featuring strong accents that can even occur just before the beat. You will also notice dramatic shifts in dynamics, moving from very quiet to very loud. The foundational rhythm is usually in 4/4 or 2/4 time, with a distinctive left-hand pattern that emphasizes the first beat, followed by syncopated chord notes. This creates the essential pulse for the dance. The left hand is crucial for establishing the rhythmic foundation in tango. It often mirrors the double bass, playing deep, legato bass notes in the lower octaves of the piano. A key pattern involves playing a strong bass note on the first beat and holding it, then adding chord notes on the end of beat 2 and on beats 3 and 4. You can also create a rich accompaniment by using root, fifth, and octave patterns, ensuring a constant, driving feel that supports the melody. Now let's turn our attention to the right hand, which carries the melody and adds expressive elements. Tango melodies frequently utilize chromatic notes, creating a rich and sometimes melancholic sound. You can play these melodies with a smooth, legato touch or a crisp, percussive attack, depending on the musical phrase. Incorporate glissandi, or slides, and sharp staccato notes to capture the authentic tango feel. Small embellishments, known as adornos, allow you to add personal flair and interpret the music creatively. To truly master tango piano, focus on musicality. Dramatic dynamic changes are essential, moving from incredibly quiet passages to powerful, loud sections to build tension and release. Phrasing is key. Think of the music in sentences, understanding where to pause, emphasize, or drive forward. Tango timing is unique, often accelerating and decelerating, so embrace this flexibility rather than a strict metronomic pace. This expressive freedom, combined with strong articulation, will bring your tango playing to life with passion and drama.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.